guys, welcome to the channel. How are you? Okay guys, today I want to show you how to practice to achieve a perfect fit on your guitar while performing a band. So as of now, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, okay? Stick around and let's get started. Okay guys, when you are performing a band, your main goal is to achieve some note ahead on the fretboard. So for example, if you want to achieve this C sharp here, you want to play your band behind this note. For example, here at the B. And to practice this and to get used to it, just play this simple exercise here, guys. Play a note, do a bend, and pass the note. Do this until you feel that the note is correct, okay? And you can do this whatever you want on the fretboard. You can do this, for example, here with the G. Okay? Guys, bends are a perfect way to make your solo sound more expressive and beautiful. So practice, practice, and practice until you can do it naturally. So guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it and it helps you. If so, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, because that's great for me and I really appreciate your support, guys. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, and remember, to want me to succeed, keep safe, mind the gap, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.